Hello and welcome. This is Chandni Nevdani and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. After Hyderabad, heavy rains in Bangalore. Heavy rains lashed parts of Bengaluru in India on Friday, leaving many areas waterlogged and traffic disrupted. Most parts of South Bengaluru were affected after rain. Residents show a car floating in Gurudutt layout near Hosakarali alongside Vrishabhavati drain during rains. Vehicles in the basement of some apartments and houses in the low-lying areas were submerged. Traffic was disrupted on Mysore Road, Silk Boat Junction, Hosur Road, Banarghata Road, Basavanagudi, Nayandali, RR Nagar, BG Road and other roads. According to Indian Meteorological Department, Bengaluru has received 13.2 millimeters rain from 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. on Friday, with HAL Airport and surrounding areas received just 1.3 millimeters of rain, while Kampagowda International Airport reported 7.7 millimeters of rain. The worst affected areas were Koramangala, BTM Layout, Jayanagra, Basavanagudi, RR Nagar, Hosakarali, Nagar Bhavi, Kengari, Mahabaleshwaram and other parts of the city. As per latest observation, Bengaluru city and neighborhood is expected to receive light to moderate spells of rain with intermittent heavy spells of rainfall at a few places during the next 24 hours, according to IMD in their forecast. Apart from Bengaluru, Ramanagara, Chikkabalapura, Tamukara also received heavy rains on Friday evening. The IMD predicted rains or thunder showers at most places over coastal Karnataka, at many places over south interior Karnataka and at isolated places over north interior Karnataka. Thunderstorm with lightning accompanied with light to moderate spells of rain or showers is likely at Bengaluru rural, Bengaluru urban, Tumkur, Kolar, Chikkabalapur, Ramanagara, Hassan, Chikmagaluru, Kodagu and Dakshin Kannada districts in the next 3 hours, IMD said in the forecast report issued at 3:10 p.m. on Friday. The continuous rain required the BBMP to seek help from the National Disaster Response Force to evacuate people stranded in the floodwaters. A team of 20 personnel were rushed along with their boats to Hosakarali, Dattatreya Layout and Gurudutt Layout, which were severely affected due to the rains. Avoidable weather conditions due to low pressure in the Bay of Bengal and surface winds are continuing the spell of southwest monsoon rains over the state during this week too, State Meteorological Center head said. A low pressure area over the Bay of Bengal is set to turn into a depression in the next 24 hours. A trough over the peninsula will cause heavy rains in the coastal, south interior and north interior areas of the state. According to the Met Office, the state has received 58% excess rainfall from October 1st to 21st, with 94% in the coastal, 100% in northern and 19% in the southern regions for the first time in many years. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Chandni Nevdani. For more weather updates like these, do like, share and subscribe our channel.